Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate investment reallocation with SoFi, full guide step by step clearly. To automate investment reallocation with SoFi, first, open the SoFi app or website. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to your investment portfolio. Locate the rebalance option typically found in the settings or management section. Select the rebalance button to initiate the process. Decide on your preferred asset allocation strategy. This can include predefined options or a custom mix based on your goals. Confirm any specific percentages you want for different asset classes. Review your current investments to understand your existing allocations. SoFi will provide recommendations based on your selections. Take time to read through these recommendations carefully. Once you are satisfied, confirm your reallocation choices. SoFi will then prompt you to automate the process. Select options for how often you want the reallocation to occur. You may choose from monthly, quarterly, or annual rebalancing. Ensure you review any associated fees or policies before finalizing. After confirming your choices, SoFi will handle the rest. Regularly check your account for updates on your investment performance. Adjust your strategy as needed based on changing financial goals. Stay informed about market trends that may affect your allocation strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively automate your investment reallocation with SoFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.